Josh, do you jump into a lot of the Mosaic breaks? That's awesome, man. Yeah, we usually do. We're actually just starting to do the live streaming. Um, my brother and I, he lives in Minnesota. I live in Wisconsin. We recently got into the idea of breaking live, um, but typically we do baseball cards. Basketball is just so crazy hot right now that we wanted to give everyone an opportunity at some of the good teams. So, um, I mean, to buy a box of this stuff right now is absolutely ridiculous. So. This way, you can pay 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 50 bucks and get the team that you want, or you pay for the Pelicans and pay quite a bit. So I guess it's all a gamble in the long run here. So, but hopefully we pull something nice for somebody tonight. I am going to do a free giveaway after the box here. This is a giveaway that I'm going to do, a Tyler Hero Mosaic Prism. I'm just going to do a random to the group, and whoever's in the number one spot is going to get this for free. So thanks for jumping in. We're going to get started here. So like I said, this is a 2019-2020 Mosaic Cello 12-pack box break. All the teams are on the right-hand side there. You have Justin J. with the Hawks, Monica with the Celtics, Amandero with the Nets, David P. with the Hornets, Landon with the Bulls, Wesley with the Cavs, Peyton with the Mavericks, Quan with the Nuggets, Hila with the Pistons, Jonathan with the Warriors, Lamar with the Rockets, Pacers, and the Clippers, Quan with the Lakers and the Grizzlies, Wesley B. with the Miami Heat, Milwaukee Bucks is owned by Brad, Brendan O. has the Timberwolves, Mark S. with the Pelicans, Wesley B. with the Knicks, Lamar also has the OKC Thunder, Orlando Magic, and the 76ers. John W. has the Phoenix Suns. Lamar also has the Trailblazers. Amandero has the Kings. Josh with the Spurs. Wesley with the Raptors. Brendan with the Jazz. David P. with the Wizards. And Daryl V. with Team USA. So we're going to get rolling here. Thanks again for everyone jumping on live here. If you wouldn't mind just liking our Facebook page, we're going to start doing a lot of these live breaks right now. So, and you're going to hear about them first on our Facebook page before we put them on eBay. But as you saw on eBay, we have over 2,700 positive feedback, so we're very well known in the card industry, if you will. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. It looks like we have 9 people on. We're going to pull some heat here, so let's go ahead and get started. Empty box. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all 12 packs. Alright, let's get started here. You are very welcome for wearing gloves. I wouldn't do it any other way. So we have the pink pack, and then we have the regular packs. And first pack. Eric Gordon, John Wall, Patty Mills, and it looks like we have a silver in the first pack. It's a silver Zion Williamson NBA debut. What a huge hit to start the break off with. Mark S., congratulations. I mean, I would assume that's probably $250 to $300 card. Is that right, if anyone knows? Go ahead and put that bad boy right in the center here. What are the odds? First pack we pull a nice Zion like that. Absolutely crazy. We also did get the Karl Malone, USA. But it's a silver debut, not the regular one. So, anyways, we'll see. Hope if it's $100, $100, that's still a sweet pull to start the break off with. Next pack, Al Horford, Brandon Ingram, Anthony Davis, and a De'Aaron Fox Prism Silver, Scottie Pippen Old School, and Kevin Porter Jr. I'm going to sleeve all of the rookies and prisms right away. If there's anything specific or any specific players that you want sleeved, just let me know, but I will get these taken care of right away for you. And then on to our first pink pack. A little tough guy pack here. Alright. Kevin Hoyer, Kelly Olynyk, and Eric Paschall. Get those sleeved up quick. Yeah, it's amazing what some of these cards are going for right now. Has anyone looked at the Chronicles yet? Has anyone taken a look at the prices of those boxes right now? All right, pack number 2. Two packs and the pink pack. Yeah, they're crazy. I was actually able to pick up one box of the Chronicles, and I plan on doing a break with it. But I don't know how I want to do the break, so it's kind of undecided right now. Otto Porter Jr., Will Barton, Marcus Morris, Kyle Kuzma, and another silver of Jared Allen, and Wilt Chamberlain. I just couldn't believe that when I saw that come out. I was like, oh my goodness. And it's going to go nowhere but up with the season starting now, so I guess we will see what happens in the industry. Quan, do you do a lot of Mosaic? Marcus Smart, Colin Sexton, Chris Middleton, and another Prism Mosaic of Elfrid Payton. Got Game Ben Simmons and Darius Garland. Alright, on to the second pink pack. Looks like we got a stud right on the back here. Congratulations to David P. So we have Lou Williams, George Hill, and NBA debut Rui. Pink camo mosaic. It's a sweet card. I think Rui is going to be a stud in this game. Like I said earlier, if you guys wouldn't mind taking a moment and liking us on our Facebook page, I would really appreciate it. Like I said, we just started doing the box breaking, if you will, but we're going to do a ton, and quite honestly, I would like to avoid eBay if at all possible in the future, so that I don't have the crazy amount of fees and I can bring it to you at a cheaper price. So if you like our Facebook page, we're going to be able to get that going, and please share it out with your friends. who are also into card collecting. So on to pack 3, Mosaic Pink, 2 packs. Oh man, Bowl. I have no idea what's going on with that crazy fire right now. So Marcus Smart, Colin Sexton, Langston Galloway, Daniel Theus Green, Blake Griffin Jam Master, and Darius Garland. The Bowl craze has me absolutely wondering why, for one. So if one of you guys can tell me if there's anything beyond the one scrimmage game that he had, I would absolutely appreciate it. Taco Fall on the back. George Hill, Trey Young, Damian Lillard, Joe Ingles, Will to Win Cat, and Taco Fall debut for the Celtics. All right, on to the third pink pack. De'Aaron Fox, Colin Sexton, there we go, and Nicholas Claxton. I can try on the glare. I don't know, to be honest with you. This is a new setup that we're trying, so I will obviously take the feedback that we're getting from this one and bring it into future breaks. I apologize for the glare in this one. I will see what I can do to alleviate it in future ones. So, all right, on to pack number 4. 2 packs and Mosaic Pink. Yeah, if I turn the overhead light off, it's going to get rather dark, so we're just going to play the game as it is right now, and I'll adjust it for future. So, Josh Hart, James Harden, CJ McCollum, Terry Rozier, silver of Rui, that's got to be big, and then Kobe White NBA debut off the back. So 2 solid silvers already. So we have a Rui and the Zion. What's that Rui pull? Base rookie silver. Anybody know? Congratulations to David P. 2 solid hits already, my man. I don't know how much you picked up the Wizards for, but my assumption is you're doing well right now. Second pack. We have the Joker, Devin Booker, Kyle Lowry, Lou Williams Silver Prism, Donovan Mitchell, and Terrence Mann rookie. And on to the pink pack. Nice Kobe White for the Chicago Bulls right on the backside. DeAndre Bembry, Sabonis, and the Kobe White base. Pink camo. That's got to be another good hit. Nice job to the Chicago Bulls. I'm sorry, wrong sport. Like I said, I do a lot of baseball, so that's where my state of mind is, if you will. So it's not looking too bad. We're only, what, 5 packs in, 6 packs in, and we're pulling some solid cards already. Landon, is that you with the Chicago Bulls? All right, 2 packs and the pink. Goodness gracious. Rui just coming out of everywhere for you, David. So we got a Shea, Myers Leonard, Finney Smith, Nicola, and a Prism, Anthony Davis, Will to Win. Good looking card. And a Rui right on the back again. Well, nice pull, Landon. Are you a Bulls fan, or were you just trying to get Kobe Whites? We got Terrence Ross, pink, Jeremy Lamb, and Johnny Stockton for the Utah Jazz. So what do you guys think is going to happen with this bubble league that we have going on right now? It's quite interesting. Seeing all the teams down in Disney. I was listening on the radio, and it sounds like they have their own barber shop. They have everything that they could possibly need in this little bubble, if you will. And on to the second pack. Kelly Oubre Jr., Tyus Jones, Jason Tatum, Larry Bird Green. For Team USA, LeBron got game, and Nikhil Alexander Walker. Yeah, it's kind of so I don't know. I just hope this coronavirus gets better faster than it gets worse here. I am too much into sports to not be able to watch them, specifically football now as we head into football season. Man, to not be able to watch football would be very, very tough. All right, we're on to pack number 6. 2 packs, 1 pink. Oh my gosh, we are hitting all the studs. So, Grizzlies owner. Nice job to Quan. That's exactly who you were looking for, I would assume. Dario, Drew Holiday, Glenn Robinson, Tim Hardaway Jr., Johnny Stockton, and John Morant. Nice hit, Quan. Very nice hit. We are loading this bad boy up right here, so. Second pack. I know I'm trying to pull you a silver. I mean, if you look at the table already, we're only halfway done, and we have a Rui silver, a Zion silver. Now we just need the third gun. Terrence Ferguson, Justice Winslow, Spencer Dinwiddie, Grayson Allen Green, Giannis, Jam Masters, and Cody Martin. Yeah, I agree with you, Landon. I don't know how it's going to work, to be honest with you. I think it works just fine for NBA, like you're saying, but there's no way you can do it with the NFL or Major League Baseball, unfortunately. So, and then with what happened to the Marlins and how they had that coronavirus outbreak, that's just going to prove that things aren't going to work as planned, unfortunately. So, on to the pink pack. We got Darius Garland, Montrezl Harrell, Justice Winslow, and Darius Garland. So, I don't know, it's tough. Like I said, I absolutely love sports, and to have potentially the NFL season get canceled, just like the preseason was, is going to be devastating, not only to fans, but to local markets as well. We're actually about 30 miles south, I live about 30 miles south of Green Bay, so I can tell you, Green Bay is not a huge market by any means, but people live and die for the Packers up here. So the local economy will really struggle if football does not get going here. So we are on to pack number 7. Jordan Poole for the Golden State Warriors. Jonathan, nice hit. Furkan, Kevin Love, Rashawn Holmes, Zach Levine, and a Luka Give and Go. That's a sweet looking card. I guess if you have the Mavericks, that's who you're trying to hit. It's amazing what some of these base cards go for and inserts go for nowadays. It's just crazy. I mean, we've been collecting cards, and I say I've been collecting cards for over 25 years, and man, if I had all the Jordan base that I used to have back in the day, that would be money. All right, Wesley Matthews, David Bertans, Zach Collins, green of Norman Powell, got Game Kemba, and Goga. So I just think about all those Jordan cards that I used to collect and have sitting around, and you know, like if we were in today's day and age, like we are with LeBron and Giannis and Luka, those things would be just wild right now. But what do you do? No, Landon, I'm actually in right outside of Appleton, so and then my brother is in the Twin Cities. Next pack, Tim Hardaway Jr., Drew Holiday, and Dominique Wilkins. It's an interesting guy to pull. Speaking of old school, or Hall of Fame, I guess. Are you in Wisconsin, Landon? Oh, Jonathan, that's cool, man. You're from Sheboygan. That's great. I do my wife and I go out to, well, Kohler, and we go to the American Club and hang out there. I would love to golf at Whistling Straits is where I'd love to be, but anyways. All right, 2 packs, one pink. All right, Dwayne Wade. Yeah, Quan, Jordan rookies are insane. And quite honestly, I wish I had one. And I may still try and get one. Daniel Theus, Derek Favors, Plumlee, Torian Prince, Ricky Rubio, Give and Go, Prism, and D. Wade on the back for Team USA. Next pack. That's cool, Landon. I love the Twin Cities. It's beautiful up there. Clint Capella, Nicolas Batum, Pascal Siakam, Ricky Rubio green, Larry Bird, and Eric Paschall, rookie. True rookie. So, I don't know. Like I said, that's what I'm worried about is the local economy with Green Bay. We need the Packers to play to bring the money in, and right now it's just not looking like that's going to happen, unfortunately. Luke Kennard, Bam Adebayo, and Patrick Ewing. Where's everybody else from? I mean, I can see your shipping label, so I guess I can find out eventually, but just for the sake of the chat, where's everybody from? All right, on to pack number 9. 2 and 1. St. Louis, Indianapolis. Man, I remember going to St. Louis, Quan, when Mark McGwire and Sammy Sosa were in the home run race, and there was no better place to be than Busch Stadium when that was going on. I thought it was absolutely awesome. Such a cool environment, such a cool thing to happen for baseball. Wendell Carter Jr., T.J. Warren, Terrence Ross, Jaren Jackson Jr., Anthony Hardaway, and DeAndre Hunter. North Dakota. Hey Josh, what's up in North Dakota? What do you do up there, if you don't mind me asking? Jake Lehman, Bojan Bogdanovic, Jared Allen Green, Blake Griffin Jam Masters, and Dylan Windler. To be honest, I haven't seen a lot of Dylan Windler, and I can't even tell you if he's on the team or not. I've never even heard of him, but I'm sure he's a good dude. There's no way, Quan. Seriously? Did you watch that documentary, The Boys of Summer, about the McGwire and Sosa fiasco? Didn't McGwire get that ball back after the game? All right, next pack. Bielica, Wendell Carter Jr., and Jordan Poole debut. That was a pretty cool documentary. It's nice to have some of those nice, neat documentaries during COVID. I also got sucked into the Jordan, or the Chicago Bulls one too, so. All right, on to pack number 10. That's pretty awesome, Quan. That's a cool story. The old Shaq Diesel on the back, eh? Thaddeus Young, LaMarcus Aldridge, D'Angelo Russell, Caldwell Pope, Cat, Will to Win, and Shaq Fu. Was anybody around when Shaq actually tried to rap? Yeah, Quan, it was right around 1 million. And man, I don't know. That'd be tough to get rid of. That's some history there. Isaiah Thomas, Kendrick Williams, Bryn Forbes, Alec Burks Green, Got Game Giannis, and Nicholas Claxton. And we got to see a, so we still need to get a silver Ja Morant, since we've gotten a Rui and Zion. And we need to get some silver Giannis and LeBron. Yeah, Shaq Diesel. That's hilarious, Landon. It was so funny listening to that. It's like, how does a dude of his size get into a studio for one, and then try and rap? Alright, Cody Zeller, Ben Simmons, and Cam Reddish, true rookie pink. It's a cool card. I feel like he's going to be a stud. Quan, who do you collect? You seem pretty active with the NBA. All right, pack number 11. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar on the back. Had no idea he was even in this. All right, Goran Dragic, DeMar DeRozan, there we go, focus. Markelle Fultz, Kemba Walker, and a green got game of Kemba. And then Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Team colors, that just looks good. I don't know if it's worth much, but I think if you're a Celtics fan and you get a green of anything, I think they just look pretty sweet. Alright, next pack. Thanks, Mike. You're welcome that I'm wearing gloves. Alright, Jamal Murray, Buddy Hield, Bruce Brown, and a Grant Williams rookie green, Julius Erving Jam Masters, and Admiral Schofield. I'm going to ask you guys, just because I honestly don't know, I know you can get autographs in the Hobby and the Fast Break. Can you get autographs in the Mosaic Cellos? Steph Curry pink, that's a sweet looking card. John Collins and Ignis. Another dude, I'm going to be honest, I've never heard of him, but he's got a pretty rockin' last name that I can't say, so I'm sure he's a good dude too. Johnny C. and Steph. Splash Brothers. Alright, my friends, last pack. Like I said, so I'm going to do a giveaway right after this for a Tyler Hero Prism Silver. And if you wouldn't mind taking a moment, it really doesn't take a lot to just hit the like button on our Facebook page and share our page out, share the breakout. I'd truly appreciate it. Like I said, we've been collecting cards for quite some time, just really getting into the box breaking as we see it as a cool opportunity to open cards and pull some pretty awesome hits for you guys like we have thus far here. So I hope you take time to do that, share it out, and you know, any positive feedback you can give us. All these cards will go out on Monday, typically 48 hours. If I do it during a weekday, I will do my best to get it out the next day. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get these out tomorrow, but I will get them out as soon as possible on Monday for you. So hopefully some last pack mojo here for everyone. Pink pack. Russell Wilson named his kid Win or Nyen. Interesting. That is quite the fun fact, Landon. Alright, so we have Malcolm Brogdon, Chris Paul, Jonas, Luka, base, James Harden, got game, and Oscar Robertson. Also, like I had mentioned earlier, if you were in the chat, I do have a box of Chronicles that I just picked up today, and I'm gonna give it a shot. So I'm gonna put it on eBay. If you think it's something that you want to jump into, feel free. But it looks like a pretty awesome set anyways. Seeing a lot of cool Zions, a lot of cool Ja Morant out of it. Alright. Alfred Payton. Oops, get that focus. Willie Cauley-Stein, Evan Fournier, and Andre Drummond green. Luka got game, and Kyle Guy. So whoever was looking for Bol, I apologize, I haven't gotten you a Bol. Well, I shouldn't say that yet. We do have a pink pack. And I'll let you continue to chase that Bol craze right now. I think it's funny. But good for him, man. I hope he continues the work that he's putting in and turns into a stud. All right, last pack, last pink pack. We have a Jay Crowder, Jordan Clarkson, and Bruno Fernando. So that is a complete break here. I'll show the top hits here that we have on the screen. I think you know, if you are trying for a Ja, Rui, Kobe White, I think you hit what you were looking for. Obviously the Ja, we would have liked to have it as a silver, but you know what? Not getting skunked is always a good spot to be in. So anyways, some of our top hits here. We have the Rui Silver, Rui Pink NBA debut, Ja Morant NBA debut, Kobe White Pink, True Rookie, and Zion NBA debut Silver. So that's a recap of the top hits. We do have a bunch of other hits, obviously, that you will get mailed out based on your team and who you purchased. But right now I'm going to do the randomizer. Every time in the room we do a 7-time randomizer. So I am going to put that up on the screen. I have everybody already loaded in there. And I'm just going to randomize it 7 times. Whoever's on top after 7 will get the Tyler Hero Silver Prism. And like I said, if you wouldn't mind just taking a moment, liking our Facebook page. We're going to follow us on Instagram and look at us on YouTube. We're at Breakersville the whole way across the board, so you type us in there. All right, we're going to do 7 times on the randomizer. First one, 31 teams, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th and final time for the free Tyler Hero. And we have Quan on top after 7 times. Quan right there. So not only did you get your Ja Morant, but you're also going to get a Tyler Hero that we have right here. True Rookie, Prism, Silver. But I appreciate you guys stopping in. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to message me directly on eBay. We do have a couple of other breaks set up, ready to finish. Tomorrow we have a Spectra and a Mega box, Optic Mega. And then we're going to come back on Monday. We have Panini Select T-Mall boxes. I just got a case of that, so we're going to do a 2-box break of that. So make sure you check that out. We do have more Mosaic as well, so you're going to see more of those breaks go back on there. All I have are full boxes of Mosaic, so just going to run them as full boxes, 12 packs. And then finally, we're going to do some baseball. If you get into baseball at all, I've got some Bowman Mega that's going to be coming in here, and we're going to do some team breaks with that. So anyways, thanks again for jumping in, Breakersville. We wanted to go with Breakersville, USA, or keep the red, white, and blue theme going. And please make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and watch us on YouTube. So thanks, everyone, and have a good evening. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks again.